Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 13 and the name of our unit is Things Around Us. Today I am going to deliver lecture number 16, and in this lecture we will discuss about where do animals live. So my dear students, now let's recap what we did in the previous lecture. So here you can see the pictures and then answer what are the benefits of the animals. Animals provide us with food, transportation and joy. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for an activity. Here look at the pictures and then answer these questions. That do you have rabbits as pet? कभी आपने खरगोश को अपने घर में as a pet रखा है? So quickly tell me now, where do rabbits live? अंडरग्राउंड, बरो बना के रहते हैं, खोदते हैं जमीन और फिर नीचे चले जाते हैं उनके। तो इस तरीके से खरगोश जो है उनके रहने की जगह क्या है? जमीन के नीचे उनका अपना घर बनाते हैं इन अ बरो। Okay, now in today's lecture, students will be able to identify the homes of animals, nest, burrow, etc. So my dear students, let's quickly now look at the Islamic perspective. So, and there is no creature on the earth or bird that flies with its wings except communities like you, we have not neglected in the register a thing. So now let's quickly move forward towards the pre-reading question. So quickly tell me that what are burrows? Burrow क्या होती है? खोद के जो बिल बनाते हैं, that is a burrow. And where do birds live? They live in nest. घोंसले में रहते हैं. Okay, my dear students, now let's move forward towards reading. So quickly open Where do animals live in your GK1 science portion book. I hope everybody has opened the page. So now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Where do animals live? Animals live in places where they find food and shelter. So जानवर कहाँ रहते हैं? वो ऐसी जगह पर रहते हैं जहां वो फूड यानी कि खाना तलाश करे and shelter यानी कि उसको अपना घर, अपना home बना सके. Some animals make their homes into the ground. कुछ जानवर जो हैं वो जमीन के नीचे अपना घर बनाते हैं. It is called burrow. Burrow यानी कि वो बिल कहलाता है, burrow कहलाता है. It protects them from enemies and harsh weather. यानी कि वो उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है, बचाता है दुश्मनों से और सख्त जो मौसम है उससे, गर्मी से भी और सर्दी से भी. So this is a burrow. Rabbits and rats dig burrows in the ground. अब खरगोश और चूहे जो हैं वो बिल बनाते हैं जमीन के नीचे और उसमें रहते हैं. Birds make their homes on trees. परिंदे जो हैं ये अपना घर दरख्तों पर बनाते हैं. Home of birds is called nest. Nest यानी कि घोंसला. This is a nest of a bird. So burrows जो है ये rabbits और mice बनाते हैं. Nest जो है ये परिंदे बनाते हैं, इसको घोंसला कहते हैं और ये दरख्तों पे बनाए जाते हैं. So now is the time for evaluation. So today I will ask questions from listening and speaking question of your book of this chapter from 41 till 43. So quickly tell me, where do birds live? They live on trees in nests. What is a burrow? A burrow is a home of a rabbit that is made underground. So who lives in burrows? Rabbit and mice. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class, and then identify the homes of given animals and write their names in respective columns. So, my dear students, here are some animals, and write down their names in the respective columns. So, who dig burrows? So, rat dig burrows. Then rabbit, they also dig burrows, so it will come under burrow. Sparrow, it make nests, so nests. So then comes hummingbird, it also makes nests. Then comes owl, it also make nests. Parrots, they also make nests. So this is how you will complete the worksheet. Okay, my dear students, now let's move forward towards the homework. So in today's homework, what you will do is you will do home activity number 11 given on page number 119, and you will do independent activity number 3 given on page number 120. So let's quickly see the first homework, that is home activity number 11. So which animal homes are there in or around your house? Paste their pictures on your scrapbook. Write the name of the home and animal that lived there, and with each picture you can seek help from your parents as well. So my dear students, आपके घर के इर्द गिर्द कौन से जानवर हैं और वो कहाँ रहते हैं, आपको जानवर की पिक्चर और उसके होम की पिक्चर जो है वो पेस्ट करनी है. वेरी इजी. आप माइस हैं, वो अक्सर घरों के इर्द गिर्द रहते हैं और वो जमीन के नीचे बिल बनाते हैं, आप उनकी लगा सकते हैं, कैट्स की लगा सकते हैं, डॉग्स की लगा सकते हैं, birds की लगा सकते हैं. So this is how you can complete your chart. Next is independent activity, and what does this activity say? Look around your house, find out some other homes of animals such as that of ants, spiders, bees, etc. Paste and label the picture of animals and its homes in your scrapbook. So my dear students, कुछ animal के homes जो है आपने अपने अभी book में read out किया है, जैसे कि nest and burrows. कुछ दूसरे animals हैं like spiders, they make webs. Ants, they make ant hills, यानी कि जमीन में सुराख करके वो बड़ी बड़ी ant hills बना लेती हैं और उसके अंदर रहती हैं. Then bee make bee hives. तो आपने इनकी पिक्चर्स और इनके नेम्स जो है और एक्सेट्रा, आप कोई दूसरा एनिमल को भी सर्च आउट कर सकते हैं. एंड देन पेस्ट देयर पिक्चर विद देयर होम एंड इन योर स्क्रैपबुक. ओके, so this is your homework. Now let's move forward towards wrap up. So in today's lecture we have learned that animals live at a place for shelter and food. यानी कि जानवर जहाँ रहते हैं उनको वहाँ घर मुहैया मिलता है और इसके अलावा खाना मिलता है. And some animals like rabbits and rats live in burrows. कुछ जानवर जैसे कि rabbits और rats हैं, ये बिल में यानी कि बरों में रहते हैं. Burrows are underground homes. ये जो है जमीन के नीचे घर होते हैं. Birds live in nest. परिंदे जो हैं ये घोंसलों में रहते हैं दरख्तों पर. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.